The reason why Zimbabweans no longer go to the streets is the biggest betrayal against them, a serious data protection breach by an award-winning journalist who has spent 7 years using journalism to spy on the civil society while corrupting the Zimbabwe National Army, as he accuses protesting citizens of causing tensions within the army. Sabina mashoko arikuya panguva ino achinzi bad news for Zimbabwe. Panguva ino kuchonekwa kunzi aiwa zviri kuona kwanzi panguva ino maZimbabweans avachademonstrate mumastreets, vamwe vatosviba moyo havachatoti zvekunovhota. Enhau aiwa dzevanhu veThe Ruling Party ZANU-PF vaiva vachideceiva macitizens vachiita as if vari kusati kwemacitizens vachiopposita the government. You will subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda muna mobudanyi kwamuchinzi. Opposition politics will never be the same following this betrayal, and the streets are now dangerous for anyone to demonstrate. Since the first day when he dished out phone numbers of doctors treating protesters and accused citizens of causing tensions with the portfolio of the defense and security then headed by VP Konsano Chiwenga. It was after this meeting that VP Chiwenga became cruel to both the civil society and even the mother of his 3 kids in 2019. His boss Mnangagwa also followed on to announce that the army now has a journalism protected license to go after the civil society to meet them. Mr. Hopo Chimono has been reached for comment, and his reply has been that this comment is a personal attack on him. Multiple sources have confirmed the development, and Chimono himself also admitted to singularly corrupting the army. Mr. Chimono has 3 identity cards bearing 3 different names, and he has also spent the last 14 years using journalism to falsify that the UK embassy in Harare conducted a police clearance on money he illegally moved from UK to Zimbabwe to purchase his first home in 1996, and a lie that the institution conducted a police clearance on his multiple names. The UK embassy has twice announced that it has never at any time conducted a police clearance on anyone. No UK embassy has capacity to conduct police clearance. ZMI. Thomas Kwaruda Pangwa ine. Chonkon's Vana Chimono, they're being attacked. Pangwa ino achins aiwa. These guys, they deceived my citizens vakanyanya and they vakonzeresa kuti munyika yeZimbabwe vanhu varege kuraisa up nekutya aiwa the fear yavanoiswa mavari ava the government. Pinda comment section medu dzamafunguro aimo tikudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like, check on the bell icon.